Put limes in the microwave. All the grease and dirt will disappear on their own. This trick will transform your kitchen and make cleaning a pleasure. It's quick, cheap, and completely natural, so you can use it regularly. Start by taking one lime and cutting it in half. A lime is not only a great source of vitamin C, but also a natural cleaning helper. Squeeze the juice from both halves into a small bowl. Its juice works perfectly on greasy and dried-on stains. Add 1 cup of water to create more steam. Now add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Vinegar boosts the power of the lime and also neutralizes unpleasant odors. Mix everything and drop the squeezed lime halves into the bowl as well. Place the mixture in the microwave and heat it for about 2 minutes. If the dirt is stubborn, you can extend the time. The steam will loosen dried grease and grime. Finally, just wipe the inside with a paper towel. Your microwave will not only be spotless, but also filled with a fresh citrus aroma. No scrubbing, no chemicals. And the best part is, the whole process takes just a few minutes.